Okay, guys, I literally adjusted my camera for my baby to fit. Now, earlier my camera was different, but yeah. So this is my mama charcoal. She's calmer now, so I'm happy with that. So I'm not gonna move too much anymore. So let's start with what I wanted to share. I wanted to share my 2025 best buy list. Well, I didn't buy them. They're the best things that I got on 2025. So 2025 best buy, but of course not all of them I bought, but they are the best. I've got them. I've used them to the point of like I don't put them down as much as possible, but I do try to rotate, especially with like bags and shoes. But with this one, it's just they are my favorite. I've been constantly gravitating towards them. I've been using them a lot. So let's start with I think it's peaking here. So let's start with shoes. Now these ones are just recent. I got them for my hubby for an anniversary gift. This one is the Stryde Sneakers. I think this one is the Flavian, or I think it's the other one. This one is the best like white sneakers. You can do no wrong with these white sneakers. I will show you the detail photo of this one, but this is like the best. Honestly, it's super worth it. It's like just a clean white sneakers, and it's washable. You could like clean it up because there's no suede. And although there's so many trends with sneakers with suede, Adidas has it, even Nike has it, but I know it's a constant, like it's really a good style, but suede is hard to maintain. So why not just lean towards back to basic white sneakers? And these are one of the best that I found, that even my hubby is so comfortable with it, and it's very much like just a clean look. The only design to this is this part, which if you don't know the brand, then you don't know, and it's not going to scream a branded shoe. So clean shoe has some interest in it, and it's worth the price. Now, I could not stop with just one sneakers. I wanted my hubby to get one that's a bit more interesting, but still sort of like a white sneakers. And I think I've shown this already before. And it's, of course, this one. Now, this is the Flavian. This is the one with the details of gray, brown, but they're all still in leather. And they are great quality because this one is also very loved by my hubby. The best part to this is his jeans and pants are a lot more on the gray, the browns. So this one works with any of those. If he doesn't want the clean white sneakers, he could get this. And he wears this one with his jeans all the time. So this is like an additional change and difference to it. And I think it's super worth it, and you can grab it. Okay, so now I realize this one is the Flavian. So the name of it is in here. So that's a good part to that. But then this one is this is the Leven. So this is the Leven style sneakers. And yes, they are super worth it. I would recommend you guys get it. I think they also have women's shoes, but like I said, I think on earlier this year, I've gotten so many sneakers, and I don't really need to add more. There's so much that I've had, and most of them are Adidas. So I really don't need to add more sneakers in my collection. I'm very happy with them. I tend to rotate a lot of them, and I do have some favorites, but that's like on a different video. This one is like I really wanted to recommend it because it's great. You guys could get it for gift suggestions as well as for yourself. Now, I do have sneakers that I like that I got also for my hubby, which is that was the anniversary gift itself that I officially gave him and me, and it's the Camel Sneakers. Now, it's actually here. Hello. So I got my hubby sneakers here because mine is outside near the door, because I literally use that every time because I started walking more, a bit of a jog, but mainly walking. Don't bite. Mainly walking and jogging. So I've been constantly doing that, and well, that's why my hobbies is here, because it's shoe rack. But mine is always there on top because when I leave out, walk to jog quickly, just to get myself a bit of some health exercise, I put it there, so it's there. So this one is near And he wears this too, but of course he does go to the office often and he does rotate his shoes. And although he has only a couple of shoes, they're still worth the rotation because this one is comfortable. If you want to try on but you still don't want to pay the hefty price, try this one first. It's lightweight, it's breathable, it's mesh fabric as well as leather, and it's worth the buy. Of course, you're gonna wait for it because Camel, the brand Camel, is actually in China, so you have to wait a bit for the delivery. But other than that, they are worth the buy, and I would recommend to size up for these sneakers. Yes, baby. If the other sneakers also, I would recommend size up one because my hobby is usually a 42. This one is a 43. And then vice versa. Also, it changes from the sizes when you have in Payless as well, so you have to check that. These shoes are as great quality as the ones in Payless. That's why I really want to recommend it. Plus, they're just also in shop. Now, let's go to perfumes. I've been loving different perfumes, and honestly, these perfumes are my go-to. And there's a last perfume that's just recent that I got just this September, and I've been using it constantly, like literally so much, and they're super worth it. Now, the first one first is for the men. This one is affordable. If you don't want to pay for the hefty price, I found this and my hubby loves it so much. It's potent because it still actually lasts him the whole day. Like he still smells like this. And of course, it is the Giorgio Armani. This is the Aqua D and it's the Gio Giorgio Armani. This one is from Inspired Scent by, of course. Yeah, it's Inspired Scent by. This is for men. This is 85 ml, and I think this is just around 150 or 100. I'm not sure, but I'll try to link it down below. And this is one of my favorite scents. So if you're just gonna focus on the scent, try it. It smells so good and refreshing, and it's not strong like it's unbearable, and I would say it lasts the whole day. Now for the ladies, I have had this for the, I think, early start of spring. I think it was around February. I'm not quite sure. But I've been using this. This is literally the one that I always use. Just because I have a friend that I usually see and she doesn't like my vanilla flavored perfume. So I checked this out and it smells so good. And it's a great like daily perfume. And it is actually this one. This is Sweet Night Fruity Symphony. Great. This is by Fragrance Mist. I've used it a lot. And this has sparkles in it. I don't know if transfers on my clothes because I don't really notice that. It smells sweet, but not sweet like it's overbearing. That's why I actually like it. The last one is actually, like I said, recent, and it's only just this September that I got it because I finally found my friend was actually using this and it's one of her favorite scents. And I can't believe after all these years, this is the only time I found out what that perfume was. This is a favorite perfume of my aunt, and she usually wears it. I always smell it on her, and whenever we always go out together, and I smell it on her all the time. But I didn't know the perfume because I was a kid. I didn't bother to look at it. I didn't bother to see what it was. So until then, when I was focusing on I want to know what it is, my aunt is not using that perfume anymore, and I never asked her about it. And then I smelled it on my friend the other day when we visited her at her house, and I was shocked because I said, "What's that scent? Where did you get it? Is it expensive? Is it hard to find?" And no, it's not. And the funny thing is, I'm not a person who likes going to this shop just because I only have one thing that I go to in that shop is actually my old favorite perfume or old favorite scent. It's a body mist. It's Atlantis by Men's. Yes, it's for men, but I really, really like it. And then it's actually there. It's a bench scent, which is this one. It's Love Affair by Lovi Poe. And what's this? This is like artist kind of signature scent. And it's her scent, and I don't know if it's really from her she created this scent or if it's from someone else and then she loves it, that's why she created her own. But I love this so much. It's refreshing. This is my everyday perfume recently, or my everyday scent recently. It's a this one is a body spray, so it's a deo body spray, but I don't use it as a deodorant. It's literally a body scent for me because it smells so good and refreshing, and I love how it smells when, of course, I can smell it when it's me. So I was so happy and stoked that I know where to get this now. So this is my favorite ultimate best buys this 2025. I have one more item that I really want to recommend to you guys, and I already mentioned Posha to you guys. It's the trousers that I got, and I showed you the gray one and the beige. But I didn't actually show this just because it was on my fall favorites. And but the one that I used the most the whole year is actually the Tavi in this white one. This one here, right here. So this one, it's so nice. It's so elegant. It's the lightest color. It's, I think, cream or white, but it's the lightest color there. And I like it so much because it's super classy. As you've noticed, you can see that a lot of my tonalities is actually seemingly close to this. Just because I've been loving off-white. White lately, it's like a easy go-to. It's such a chic pants that I love wearing. I usually wear it when I'm already in a rush because it's something you don't need to think about. Just get a nice top or a clean shirt design and then put this on and wear some wedge. I usually wear it with wedge. And then you're good to go. I really, really like it so much. And it actually matches one of my favorite bags that I only recently got from my hubby. It's such a beautiful bag. Honestly, I can't fault it at all. And it's this one. It's my milk tea bag. I call this my milk tea bag because it's the color of the usual milk tea that I drink, and it's super super cute. I love the whole almost beige, but it's an off-white color, and it's the closest to the color that I've been loving in Hermes, which is the Parchemin. It's not white, it's not off-white so much. It's very like creamy, and I've been loving, like I said, I've been loving that color as you can see here. They're literally two pieces in a pot, and I don't know. This is so elegant to look at when you just bring this the epitome of how clean it is and everything. It's so great. This is from Mr. Leather. I've been loving this so much. Although in Mr. Leather, it's a shop that has leather goods, but they're more expensive. But I understand the branding, and it is leather. That's why I think that's the reason why it's pricey. This is an Epsom. This is size 25, and oh my gosh, this is such a favorite. I brought this when we went on staycations in BGC, when we went out with my in-laws, when we went out with my hubby, in so like a perfect anniversary gift. And of course it's off white, and I love it. I don't know, that's why it's hard for me to think of getting a white bag, especially since he gifted us already. I don't think I'll be asking for a white bag anytime soon. Like, this is the best. I can't believe it. It's super elegant. There's no fault. Like, this could possibly be my 2026 bag of the year because it literally is the bag that I always use. So yes, this is like the probably one of the biggest, if one of the biggest, if not the biggest best buy. If it was me that was gonna decide on something that hubby bought, it's actually the first one that he got me. It's this. Okay, so this is my queen. Okay, that is like, of course, gorgeous, beautiful. But if, like I said before, if I was just gonna try one and then I wasn't gonna add any of the other bags, this is it. It's the my version of a mini Kelly. So this is a mini Kelly in 22, and this is 22 centimeters across. This is in Rouge H, and it's in box leather. As you can see, it still shines. It's still a beauty. My my baby, my queen is here, and then my queen is here. So they're together, and she doesn't harm my bags. I don't know why my other cat harms my bags, but yeah, I have to be careful when I'm around her. So I've been protecting. My bags are all covered so that it can be harmed. And this is such a beautiful color. I honestly can't fault this I can't say anything bad about it. It looks elegant with anything. That's why this is like the queen. It will always still be the queen. Now the next to this one, of course, is like maybe her sidekick, her probably the second in command. Recently because they're the same leather, so it's still box leather, and of course you guys know about it. It's my Kelly 25 in box leather in noir or in black. This is the black bag for me. Like everything. Even my friend was so happy that I finally invested in a great bag, a classy bag, and this is her favorite out of all my collections because it's a plain black bag. It's clean, there's nothing much that you're going to think about it. It's elegant on its own. Whatever you do, it's the most beautiful bag you'll ever see, especially if you really love black bags. So it goes with everything as per what everybody say. But for me, it's just second to this because black is not my go-to. But recently, I've been appreciating it more, especially this fall season. Every detail about it, especially that it's in this box leather, makes it more beautiful. The final one is a recent gift by my hubby. It's my, I think you guys know already about this because I've been loving this bag since I got it because it's a puff of color. I've been wanting to have this color in this size for a long time. I've been loving Birkins lately than Kelly's, but I do have a lot of Kelly's. As you can see, there are already 3 Kelly's here, but I do love a Birkin. This one was perfect in this size. So it is my Birkin 30 in Togo leather in this beautiful orange. I think this is an Hermes orange because it really seems like the color of the box, but if not, then it's fine. It's in gold hardware, and I love this bag. This bag has been so for me it's been has been battered so much because I use it constantly like since I got it. Especially nowadays I go out with my family more. So I usually bring the bigger bag. I do tend to still go out with this one, of course. It's still like the bag, but I love wearing this. It goes with a lot of my outfits, and especially before because when I was younger and I have specific pieces of bags, that was before when I had 60 black bags and then a couple of special different color bags. But I have this everyday bag which is like a clutch with this strap, and it's an orange. That was my go-to bag before I had the red one, or one of the red ones that I still have until now. But that one was so used. Like literally that was the bag that I always use every single day, wherever, whenever I go out. I also bring it on trips, and it's an orange bag. So it wasn't a problem for me to get an orange bag, and my hubby got it, and it was so ecstatic to have it. I think if ever I might get one in this size in an orange because it would be like a great everyday bag too. So yeah, that is my favorites for my best buys for 2025 because they are so used and so loved because they are great quality. They're just from Shopee. You could get them from Shopee, and they're the best things that I've been wearing, and of course what my hubby's been wearing. They're worth the buy, and of course they're super elegant. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. I can't wait for Christmas season, and hopefully you guys can join me on other gift ideas for Christmas season. Bye guys!